US orders families out of Israel, war fears explode as Geneva talks collapse. The US State Department issued an urgent travel advisory today, authorizing the departure of non-emergency staff and families from Israel due to escalating safety risks and regional instability. While the embassy cited complex security environments, the move is widely viewed as a precursor to potential kinetic action following the failure of indirect nuclear talks with Tehran. The third round of negotiations in Geneva, mediated by Oman, concluded on Thursday without a breakthrough on the core issue of Iran's highly enriched uranium stockpile. U.S. negotiators, led by envoys Steve Witkoff and Jared Kushner, reportedly demanded that Iran dismantle key facilities and transfer its nuclear fuel abroad, terms Tehran continues to reject. Secretary of State Marco Rubio highlighted a big problem this week: Iran's refusal to discuss its ballistic missile program, which Washington claims is nearing intercontinental capability. Simultaneously, the U.S. military has executed its largest buildup in the region since 2003, positioning two aircraft carrier strike groups to provide maximum pressure on the Iranian regime. The world's largest aircraft carrier, the U.S. Gerald R. Ford, has been spotted off the coast of Israel, while the U.S. Abraham Lincoln maintains a heavy presence in the Arabian Sea. Adding to the tension, the U.S. has reportedly deployed a squadron of F-22 Raptor stealth fighters to Ovda Air Base in southern Israel, the first such offensive deployment in the country's history. CENTCOM Admiral Brad Cooper reportedly briefed President Donald Trump on Thursday regarding potential decapitation strikes or surgical attacks on Iranian nuclear and missile sites. In Israel, the military is on high alert, with focus shifting to the nation's multi-layered air defense systems, including the long-range Arrow 3, designed to intercept Iranian ballistic missiles. The U.S. Embassy in Jerusalem has advised American citizens to reconsider travel to Israel and the West Bank, noting that increased tensions could cause sudden flight cancellations. Iran has countered the U.S. posture by threatening to open multiple fronts and strike all American bases in the Middle East through its regional allies if any attack occurs. Internal pressure within Iran also remains high, as nationwide protests continue to challenge the government's authority amidst a deepening economic crisis and a failing currency. International mediators from the Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC) and the European Union are urging restraint, fearing that a miscalculation by either side could trigger a protracted regional war. With the authorized departure now in effect, the transition from diplomacy to potential conflict has never looked more imminent as the world waits for the next move from Washington or Tehran. If you found this news useful, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay connected for more timely stock market news and company updates.